y'all are students. First, introduce yourselves. Yes.
Okay, I'm a student at Augusta State University. My name is Austin Hicksonbaugh, and I'm an MIS major.
My name is Richard Gamble. I'm a computer science major, also working at ITS and Augusta State University.
Yeah, we both work at ITS.
Yeah.
Just a few things I like about Windows 8. Windows 8, I like how speedy, fast it is. Actually, it's this guy back here who got us on it.
Peace.
Will.
Peace out, bro. Peace out.
At first, I was iffy about it because it seemed more like a tablet operating system. But once I installed it on my laptop, started using it, fiddling with it, it was great. It actually ran a lot faster than Windows 7, and then its performance was a lot better with it. Only thing I hate about Windows 8 is the preloaded apps come with like the PDF viewer.
Yeah, you can remove them though.
Yeah, I don't like any of that. Oh, I'm not gonna remove them.
Yeah, set on
They're
default.
gone. But yeah, that's about. I like what you do.
Yeah, Richard, and you and your new laptop here, right? Correct? It's a Toshiba.
It's an old laptop, but I installed Windows 8 on it.
But you installed Windows on it. What else is new now?
Yeah, I like it. It's great. I've enjoyed pretty much, the general user interface with it. It did have a fairly steep learning curve, which, most people who have never used a
People wouldn't be able to use
Windows computer, especially the tablet version, would understand how to use it at first. So that was essentially the only difficult part about it. But otherwise, I enjoy it. It's fast, reliable. I haven't had any issues with it yet, and I just upgraded.
Halo. 4.
Of course. I have had no issues. The device interaction is a lot better. I didn't have to install any drivers for anything that I normally would have to install drivers for. It picks up USBs faster than Windows 7 does, and for the most part, I'm enjoying it. I installed it on my desktop and my laptop, and the desktop, the interface isn't quite as good, just because the swiping isn't there, but
Because it's not a touchscreen.
yeah, I have just a mouse, but it still works. It runs
works
faster.
perfectly fine,
Yeah. So,
And another thing I just thought about Microsoft, I want my postpone button for my updates back. I do not like being forced to do the updates automatically.
That and
Yeah, I feel you.
I was working on my laptop. It's like, hey, you need to save your stuff because we're shutting down in like 10 minutes. Okay. Microsoft.
it definitely needs to have a tutorial on how to actually, when it first starts up, it tells you, it gives you one or two things, like you have to put your finger in the top right corner, or the mouse in order to pull up the other features that it has. But I think it should actually have a rundown, an actual tutorial of how to
Do everything.
remove things from the start menu, how to add different features to your device, how to, access user control, account controls, because a lot of the things that, come standard with the device, keeps you from operating in a fast, efficient way. It always gives you pop-ups, which is kind of annoying at times. Yeah. And also the product keys are no longer reusable by any means. So once you use a product key and you get a virus, for example, on your computer, you can
wipe it.
And you wipe it, and you didn't set a restore point. I think it should emphasize that you need to create a restore point from the get-go. I think it should almost come standard as soon as you turn on your computer the first time, create a restore point, and then you can revert back to that. Since once you format your drive, you have to essentially buy a new version, at least from what I know. So.
Yeah, need a product code sticker back to that sticker is missing. We want that sticker on the bottom.
The sticker. That sticker you said there is one for this computer.
Yeah, we want our Windows 8 sticker.
There's no Windows 8 sticker you said?
No, it just says Windows 8 on the bottom. No actual
There's no
product
product key
code
anymore.
on the bottom of the laptop.
I don't know how
I had a student come in with a Windows 8 laptop the other day and just checking it out, couldn't find a sticker that had the product code on the bottom. And if I had to wipe my computer out and I was able to reuse that code, I don't have the code because I had a virus. I couldn't get it, so I don't want to have to buy Windows 8 again.
Yeah. Okay. Any other thoughts on?
No. Overall, I think at first I was a little sketchy about it, just because it was completely
tablet-y.
different. I'm happy they did keep the traditional desktop view on it.
Yeah, just combine both the modern and
Yes.
the traditional.
So I'm happy they did that. Otherwise, I would have still been using Windows 7. And for the most part, I'm happy with it, and
Okay.
I'll continue telling people to use the software.
Yeah.
Oh, high five, man. High five.
Yeah, same here.
Yeah, thanks a lot. High five.
All
Thanks
right.
a lot. Appreciate y'all.